Welcome to AI Easy Labs, where AI meets fun and transforms the way you live. Here, we'll explore how to harness the power of AI to simplify your life, skyrocket your productivity, and boost your profits. In today's kickoff session, AI Essentials, we're diving into the ultimate buy crash course on artificial intelligence because mastering AI starts here. So what is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science focused on creating systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, problem-solving, understanding language, and even perception. AI can do phenomenal things. It powers smart assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommends content on streaming platforms, drives autonomous cars, detects fraud in financial systems, and so much more. It's pretty much changing the world as we know it. Let's talk about the basic parts of AI. Algorithms are the set of rules or instructions AI follows to solve problems. Data. AI needs vast amounts of data to learn and make predictions. Machine learning, a subset of AI where systems learn from data over time. Neural network are modeled after the human brain and help AI process complex tasks. Natural language processing, or NLP, allows AI to understand and communicate in human language. Now let's highlight some of the most used AI programs. First is ChatGPT, the most versatile conversational AI powered by OpenAI. It excels in generating text, answering questions, and assisting with various tasks. A close second is Google Gemini, known for handling multimodal tasks that integrate text and images effectively. Then there is Claude AI, great for content creation and creative writing tasks. Midjourney, excellent for generating AI-based art. And last, but definitely not least, is Copilot, developed by GitHub. Copilot is an AI-powered coding assistant. It helps developers by suggesting code snippets and auto-completing lines of code, making programming more efficient. That's a quick look into the exciting world of AI. Its applications are endless, and its potential is simply mind-blowing. Stay curious and keep exploring. Thanks for watching AI Essentials.